Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So what we're going to be going over today is kind of how do you know what to bundle with your product so that it will actually sell and set you aside from your competition. All right, cool. So let's just kind of jump into it here, no fluff. What I've done is I just kind of found an idea. It's took me like 5 minutes to find slap bracelets, right? So now by any means the market's not perfect, but I think there's potential. So if we pull up Jungle Scout, see, okay, cool. The revenue is pretty strong. We have a lot of people doing, 8, 20, 11, 10, 25. Look at that, 25,000 a month, 15, 8. And what we see is, yeah, there's a couple people with a couple hundred, but for the most part, we got 20, 34. Doing 10 grand a month with 34, that's awesome. That's probably because he has the lowest price. Let's see, 27, 98, 61. 41 is also really, really low, and he's doing 15,000 a month. So that's cool. So he differentiated through adding the little sparkly design on the outside. Cool. So super simple. Now what we see, here's the thing. So I'm going to show you something cool. So check it out. If you just scroll down the first page, they're all colorful, yes, but nothing really stands out because it's all just the bracelets. So no one's added anything with the bracelets, right? Yeah, whole page one. Those are not the same things. Okay, yeah, actually they are. You got slap bracelets and the mochi toys. Cool. Awesome. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go look for, what we're going to do, and you could use this principle in any product. So that's why it works so well. What we're going to do is we'll click on who's selling well. So first figure out who's crushing it so that they have a lot of sales. They're doing really good. This person's doing really good. Let's check out theirs. Even though they have a lot of reviews, that's okay. For what we're doing, it doesn't matter. We're going to scroll down once this loads up, and we're actually going to look at what's frequently bought together with the toys. Okay. So we have the mini hands. I think maybe one other person was selling slap bracelets with those. And then we have assorted stamps. Oh, gotcha. It's actually stamps. So it's kind of this huge bundle of these stamps, those, and the slap bracelets. So now there's your product differentiation. Let's go see if anyone has stamps, bracelets, and the slappy hands. So we could actually just look right through here. No, just the bracelets, 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 bracelets. So yeah, we actually just looked through. No one's doing that. So why not create a massive bundle? Okay, it's the bracelets. Maybe we'll do 50 bracelets and then the stamps and the slappy hands, whatever those things are called, right? And that's what I've noticed. So this is a rough version of it. What would be perfect is where it's not really bundled items already, right? So maybe if it's just one product that's selling really good on its own. I have an example of this in my head right now, that a product I'm personally working on. Sorry, I can't give you that one. But it's just everyone's selling one product. There's only about 15 to 20 people selling it in the first place. So just page one, it's a new market. And then under the same search term, so you search slap bracelets, for instance, here, there's another product showing up that's relevant to the first one that's selling really well on its own. Now, all you have to do is find a supplier that could, either a supplier or a wholesaler or, manufacturer in China that can supply you with both the main product and the one that's selling well separately. And if you're the first one to put them together and you have a competitive price, it's going to sell. If you have a great first picture, competitive price, and you're selling the product that no one else is selling with it, saves the customers one step. So the whole point people go to Amazon to buy something is convenience, right? So what I've noticed is that the products that I've launched, and this personally works I'm going on to my 5th product now, Amazon FBA product. Products that I've launched without this method, kind of just differentiating otherwise, other than adding something that's being sold with it, didn't go as well as the ones where I added something that was already selling well separately under the same keyword. So that's what I would encourage you to do. It's an extra step to product research, and it's going to make it a little bit harder, but it'll be so worth it in the long run. So what I want you to do is find a keyword where it pulls up not only one main product, but another product that's selling really well separately, or you could use the frequently bought together. And if no one's doing it, there you go. Okay, you don't have to be, some crazy innovative person to differentiate. Use the data that's available to you. You shouldn't have to really think of a differentiation in your head. That's not good. Start wrapping it up in that case. Use what Amazon's telling you to find a differentiation. So that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Just a quick little tutorial for you guys. If you do want to learn more about Amazon FBA, I have a whole donation-based course that you could take. So I understand not everyone can afford, a $500-$600 course. So if you can afford to pay full price, obviously it helps set off the difference for everyone else who can't. But you could get that in the link down in the description. It's full, everything you need to know from start to finish. If you have no idea how to do it, it's okay. We start beginner all the way up to advanced. So hopefully you could hop in there. That'll be cool. And let me know what you thought about this video. But other than that, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm moving pretty soon, so it's kind of a weird upload schedule, but I'm trying to get some content out for you guys anyway, where I have time. I'm always working on Amazon FBA anyway, so I might as well just hit record, right? Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.